Hey guys, it's Cosplay Master here, and today I show you my 2099 Spider-Man's mask. Oh yeah, rockin' solid. 2099 Spider-Man's mask. How cool is that? I made the Spider-Man mask with 2099. Solid. Okay, let's talk about this build for a sec. This build was a complex build, totally worth it, because I just used the same template I used for Deathstroke, and I never got finished back. I used the same template I used for Deathstroke and the Iron Man, because for the Iron Man, as you can see up there, it took a long time to make mashup, so I decided to take it, flip it over, cut it out, put it at the side, and make the Deathstroke mask. So now, I can make duplicates of these, but different type, different color, different shape. Yep, so now I can make Spider-Man the self suit, Spider-Man this, Spider-Man that, Spider-Man everything and that. So yeah, I present you the Spider-Man 2099. Hell, it looks, yeah, I know, ow. That hurt, ow. This is sick. It looks better. Remember, if you guys check out, when I first started YouTube, I made a 2099 Spider-Man mask, but it looked so small, I don't even think it fits me anymore, because I was like so small that time, like, it's been like a whole year since I've done it. So yeah, I've upgraded my stuff. I've made so many new stuff. I literally just finished this right now and decided to make it like that. So yeah, this is the 2099 Spider-Man's mask. Press the deletion in the moving process. So yeah, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment down below what else I should make, because the red parts was really fun to make, really hard because I had to design them all out. I'll show you right now. See?